So in this video we will see if you have already installed CamStudio. So next step will be you have to configure compressor, which will reduce the size of the videos which you will record your screen, and the size of the video will be very high. Let me show you now. If you are using CamStudio, you are trying to record videos. Now suppose now I am going to start recording videos using CamStudio. You will see huge changes in file. So let's click on yes. CamStudio could not record the AVI file in the current compressor. Use default compressor. Yes. Okay. No. Let me check it. There is some problem. There was a problem in my setting in CamStudio. Now I have fixed that problem. So now I'm going to start recording using CamStudio. You will see the file size of the default CamStudio setting after recording videos. So to start, videos are getting recorded using CamStudio, and another software is also running through which I am recording my video. So I'm just going to stop this video. Click on stop. I've already clicked on stop. Now let me save it on desktop or in folder. Here is folder. Give it name recorded without codec. Yeah, without codec. Wait until it gets completed. Now it's completed. Now let me show you what is the size of the file, which is just now I have recorded. So click on screen recording. After screen recording, record it without codec. This one 163 MB, just 24-second videos whose length is 24 seconds and the size is 163 MB. Okay, now let me show you. This is a huge size for 25-second videos. The 163 which is used, you wanted to reduce the size of the videos which you will record your computer screen. So what you should do so that your file size will compress, so you have to use compressor. Just Google xvid. Just click on xvid codec. Click xvid codec. Click xvid codec. First video you will get this video, xvid codec download. Just click on that link and you have to download. If you are using Windows environment, you have to download either one of these, either one or two, any one, not both are required. So I have already downloaded it. If you have not, you have to download. Just click on download, and after downloading you have to install this into your computer, this software. The icon will come like this. So just click on install. Now I am going to install it. Yes. Okay. Next. I agree the agreement. Go next. Just click on this and next. uh, wait until it's get installed. After installation is complete, now go to CamStudio, open video option, just click on, yeah, see this icon is available now. After installing you will get your xvid MPEG-4 codec. Click on that. You have to see 200 frames and 5 capture frame every millisecond and 200 playback rate frame per second. To total, if you see the multiply 5 into 200, you will get 1000 frame per second. So your default will be 70, so it will be, if you want to use 100 you can make them, but I prefer using 80. Just click on that, click on OK. Now it's all set. Let me check it whether setting is completed or not. Video option, MPEG, yeah, okay. Now try to record those video again. Let me cut it. Yeah, let me show you my website, my blog, where you can read these things, and the text version of this video is also available on this. I simply take dot, yeah, done. The SYNCH WITSTECH with the tech.com. This is my website. So let me also record using CamStudio. Just click on record. After click on, you will get this icon, X video status. While video is getting recorded, but there is problem, X video status is saying. So in order to get rid of this problem, you have to change few settings. So let me show you again. Yeah, close program now, and wait till it's get closed. Now go to video option, effect option, no, go to view option, video option, just click on xvid MPEG-4, select. After selecting it, you have already set this option. Just click on configure. After click on configure, click on other option, and untick this display encoding status. Yeah, this untick it and click on OK. Now everything is okay. Click on OK. Now let me show you by recording one videos. Just click on videos getting recorded. See, this is my website where you will get everything regarding graphics design, web development, mobile application development, and for a lot of things. This is a brief about me, and this is the latest blog post which I have shared. And this is my another website, chandrelectronics.com. This is Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Please follow me on this social media network. And if you want to know about me, click on About Us, go and read more about me. And this is, so now let me stop the video using video recording using CamStudio, so that we can see what is the side of the videos after getting recorded. So just click on stop. Okay, yeah, I click now, stop the videos, G folder, G drive, and the video is recorded using codec. Recorded using codec. Okay, and just click on OK. Now it's getting it. Now let me show you what is the size of those files which just we have recorded using the CamStudio software. So click on those folder. Yes, screen recording. Yeah, these videos are which we have just recorded using the CamStudio software. The first video is recorded using codec and other is not recorded using codec. The size of this is, we'll see the properties. Just click on properties, the details. You will see the security, yeah, only 11 MB, 11.5 MB, 12 MB, you can see 11.5 MB only. The size of the videos, and how much time it took, what is the video size. So just click on that. See, this 4950, twice that videos which we have recorded using the codec, which was 25 seconds. This video is only 24 seconds, but this video is 50 seconds, and still it is 11.5 MB, which is 12 MB. But this video is half of these videos, and the size is 163 MB, which is huge. So that's the important thing you should think after installing and before installing, how you can compress the size of the videos of which you have recorded using the CamStudio software. So for this video, that's it that I wanted to convey to my viewers. So thank you, and in last I would like to thank you for watching these videos, and please do share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on social media network, and also visit my website synchwithtech, SYNCHWITH with tech.com for latest technical software, how to take software tutorials, and on so many things. Please subscribe and follow me. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video.